Hi, I'm Daniel Atilano and this is my video output for the second semester. So, if I were given the chance to lead a future school event, I'll make sure students feel like they're a part of it, not just as attendees, but actual contributors. So, na-realize ko ni isang pag-lights on, no, which is ang mga first year, they are very active in the activity, no, kay tungod may output sila nga gina-showcase on that particular activity. I'll involve them early in the planning process through consultations or idea pools. Events should reflect student interest, not just tradition. I believe people show up more when they feel seen and heard. Participation starts with connection, and I want students to feel that the event was built with them in mind. So, these events give life to the student experience. There, where we connect beyond academics. Intramurals teach teamwork, FebEbig reminds us of human connection, and UWeek celebrates our identity as a campus. We're not just here to pass our exams. We're here to grow in a community. Attending these events helps you to discover where you belong. It is in showing up that we build the kind of student life we want. So these moments reminds us that college isn't just a checklist. It is a journey with shared stories, laughter, and learning beyond lectures. The atmosphere, the energy, and the bond formed through these events can be replicated in a classroom. And sometimes, a single event can give you the motivation you didn't know you needed. These are spaces where we learn to celebrate, support, and belong. It's through the presence that we strengthen what it means to be a part of KAMSU. School-led events offer experiences that go beyond the classroom. They help students develop confidence, communication, and teamwork, skills that matter in the real life. Events also allows us to meet people we won't normally interact with, which broadens our perspective. Sometimes, the lessons we remember most come from the moments outside of the lectures. These events give us stories, memories, and soft skills that shape who we are. And most importantly, they give us space to make mistakes safely and learn from them. Events teach us how to adapt, step up, and respond, not just follow instructions. In a world where connections and people skills matter as much as knowledge, these activities gives us a head start. Growth doesn't always happen in silence or solitude. Sometimes it happens in a crowded room filled with people and purpose. That's what student events offer, real active learning. When we show up to the events, we're not just attending, we are affirming the effort of those who work behind the scenes. As someone who organized some events myself, I know the amount of time, energy, and mental load it takes. Being present is a simple way of saying, I see your work, and it matters. Our presence validates not just the event, but the people behind it. Respect is shown not just in words, but in where we choose to be. Behind every banner, program, or microphone, there are students who stayed up late, sacrificed breaks, and poured their energy into making things happen. We don't always see their struggles, but we can choose to honor them through our support. Showing up might seem like a small thing, but to organizers, it means everything. It's how we build a culture of mutual respect where we recognize effort and we reinforce it, and that's what it keeps our student community strong. Real life is about showing up. dealing with people, and adapting to unexpected situations, just like in school events. Participating helps you practice time management, leadership, and accountability in a low-risk environment. You also learn to listen, contribute, and collaborate. Things every workplace values. Events also build your confidence in navigating spaces outside your comfort zone. All of this prepare you not just to graduate, but to thrive after KAMSU. In many ways, school events are a preview of the real world. Deadlines, teamwork, expectations, pressure. You learn how to speak up, how to compromise, and how to stay composed when things don't go as planned. These lessons aren't found in modules. They're lived through experience. And by going through this, now we build emotional maturity and grit for what's ahead. That's why every event matters. It's a preparation disguised as fun. Every event is an opportunity to model sustainable thinking, from how we use resources to what messages we promote. KAMSU's Green Vision isn't just about planting trees, it's about growing awareness. When we align our programs with SDGs, we show that sustainability isn't just an afterthought, it's a standard. As a student, I believe we can turn every activity into an avenue for action. And it starts with how we design our events with intention. It's in small things, like avoiding waste, plastic straws, single-use plastics, promoting digital outputs, or using events to teach responsibility, that our green culture grows. University events are also platforms to raise awareness on climate action, waste management, and shared responsibility. We lead by example, and every effort counts, no matter how small. We truly want KAMSU to be a green institution by 2030. It has to reflect not just in our policies, but in our daily practices. And events are one powerful place to start. So, thank you for taking time for watching my video, and see you around at the campus. Bye!